In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily download and install WhatsApp app on your iPhone or Android device. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'll show you everything on my iPhone, but on Android the process is very similar. So let's get started, and the first step, open up App Store or Google Play and then just search for WhatsApp. You can select it from search results, and then you can easily find WhatsApp app. All you have to do now is just hit add to get to start downloading process. It may ask you to confirm the installation. On the iPhone you can do it by double click on the side button and by using Face ID. After that, the download process is started and you need to wait for it to complete. And then just tap at that open button to open up WhatsApp, and then just follow on-screen instructions to set it up. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and I see you in the next one.